Glide Apps is an easy to use tool that lets you create a mobile app with Google Sheets. So first off, you're going to get started, create an account. I've got one already, so I'm going to sign in. Now I have two apps that I've created, one right now that is live. It's my Tech Tips 411 app, and I also currently creating the Lights Camera Action app for my Google Innovator projects. So this is the back end of the app. What's great about it is I can create a number of resources, pulling it in from a Google Sheet. So to show you what that looks like is this is the back end of my app. This actually is my Glide app sheet. As you can see, I have a sheet or tab for each one of the tabs that's on my Tech Tips 411. So weekly tips, resources, Jen's faves, Chrome extensions, Jen's Gear, and Tech Tips 411. All of this information, as you can see, there is the title, photo, what type of resource it is, dates, and so forth. All of that correlates with this interface. So here's favorites, here's resources, Jen's faves, extensions, Jen's Gear, and information how to contact me. So what's amazing is you can pull in all the data that you need from your Google Sheet, and I can adjust layout in terms of what images, what I want it to look like. I can choose what tabs are shown. So as you can see, here's the different icons that I've chosen for that. I can see what data looks like. So right here, the free version allows you to have up to 500 lines. I've got 402. Right now I'm still in the free version. I can go into my settings. I can choose the colors. I can choose the theme. I can upload a custom icon here. I can choose the name of my app. I can provide a description as an author. I can link with my sheet. As for privacy, currently mine is public. Now, what's great about Glide Apps is that I can create an engaging app and get creative by utilizing different data sets.